Hi everybody, it's Danny here from Angel Handmade Papercrafts. Today I am working with Helmar adhesives, and I am using two of their adhesives. I'm starting with the Helmar scrap dots. Unfortunately I didn't get any of it on camera, so I do apologize. So what I have done is I have fussy cut out the little scarves and the little hat, and I added some of these scrap dots to the back of the hat and the scarf, and I have very carefully popped it on the top, just using a very small amount of the scrap dots so that it is nice and 3D. You'll be able to see all of that in the end video. And here I am just squeezing it on. There is the little hat. And I'm very carefully, I'm doing it on top of some paper that's in a plastic bag, just so I didn't get it all over my nice new desk mat. And then I'm just layering everything up. So I will now leave him to dry. I'm just making sure that everything is nice and straight. I'm just using the end of my scissors to do that. And now we're going to go through and start fussy cutting all of the other images out. As I put my card together, I will be using the Helmar acid-free liquid adhesive. That's my go-to liquid adhesive, obviously depending on what I'm doing. So I will also, I forgot, I'm bringing in another adhesive as well. I'm using the fabric glue. I actually thought it was my quick dry. I picked it up and didn't even realize. So I did actually mean to use the quick dry, but the fabric glue did what I needed it to do anyway. So you'll see that later on in the video when I put the cards together. All right, so I've got a Kucha Creations card base here, and the pattern papers are from a Papercraft paper pad. That would be the Silly Season paper pad. I'm just cutting out a few of the layers and just kind of creating a little scene here. Just being very careful. That image is still just a little bit wet. I did do it a couple of hours ago, but it is a little bit cold here today, so it's not drying as fast as it normally does. And I've just grabbed some Whimsy Farm twine. This is the Rosalie, and I'm just adding what I thought was quick dry glue, but was actually fabric glue. Same model. Did exactly what I needed it to do anyway. It was more just that I could get it to dry pretty quickly without making a mess with my ribbon, or my twine I should say. So I made a little bow on the side of that tag there, and now I'm putting everything together, sliding in, making a few little bits and pieces changes, and we're layering it up just using I had some red scrap paper and just some craft cardstock, and then I'm doing the same, decorating the inside of the card as well, just layering down some pattern papers. And adding on a rectangle of white cardstock, which is what I do on all of my cards so that they can be written on inside. And that, my card is pretty much complete. So you can kind of start seeing here the 3D-ness of the scarf and the hat. It's quite hard to see in photos. I did try to get the best photos that I could. This one here you can see the best, but in real life they look absolutely awesome. So I really love the way that it turned out. And that's it. That's my card done. So I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to check out all of the Helmar adhesives. There's so many different products, great for different uses. So I'll catch up with you all soon. Bye.